friends, I'm Ali Abbaas and today we are very welcome in our channel Ali Abbaas, and today I'm gonna tell you something about macromolecules. It's a chapter of biology and we're gonna talk about this chapter today. So in this there are many types of macromolecules, but today we are gonna learn about glucose, okay? And it's just the part 1 of macromolecules, part 1, and it's a chapter of biology, okay? It's a chapter of biology, and I would suggest you to go to Khan Academy to know more about it, because it's a good site, and I have used this site to learn about macromolecules. 1 minute. So what is glucose? Do not think it's anything like an AirPod. It's my microphone, my mic, okay? So what is glucose? It is referred as blood sugar. So what's blood sugar? You need energy, and glucose gives you energy. To move your blood also needs energy, and that's blood sugar. With the help of blood sugar, your blood gets energy. Okay, so it means sweet in Greek. So the word ilico in the Greek means sweet, which mostly looks like glucose. It's in Greek word, sorry. So let's go to our next slide. Let's talk more about the molecules of glucose. 1 minute. So let's talk more about its molecules. So if 2 of the molecules of glucose merged, let me make a diagram. This is the sorry, it's not looking good. Okay, so let's firstly think about this line, then after that we will think about that. So this is 1 molecule of glucose, and it is bonded to the another molecule of glucose. Okay, so they both bonded, and they both are glucose. Then what will happen? Let's see. You will form a disaccharide maltose. So what's that disaccharide maltose? So I will tell you. Disaccharide maltose. Okay, so this is 1 molecule of glucose. It's not the atom, it's the molecule. I'm not making the full version of the molecule, just an idea for the molecule. Okay, and it's bonded to, it's physically it's numerically bonded to the another molecule of glucose, so it will be known as a disaccharide maltose. Okay, so after that, and if you will chain, what will mean of chain? Let's see, what is that chain? Let me erase this thing. What will it mean as a chain? Okay, I'm using this now. This is 1 and this is 2. It's a disaccharide maltose. Okay, and then if you chained it with 1 other disaccharide maltose like that, and if you will chain the disaccharide maltose, you will get a monosaccharide. So what's monosaccharide? Monosaccharide is the chain of disaccharide maltose. Okay, next, so let's see something about this. It's real part, and it's the picture. So it's a disaccharide maltose. It's a molecule of glucose. Just that much is a disaccharide maltose, and if you will bond these both, you will get a monosaccharide. Okay, so these both are monosaccharide, but that thing alone is disaccharide maltose. So there is a CH carbon hydrogen 2OH. So you can see there are 2 hydrogen as per for 1 oxygen. Let's count all the hydrogens. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. There were 9, and let's count let me write it. There are 9 hydrogens. Okay? And let's see the number of oxygens. How many oxygens are there? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. There are 6. So it's not like the water case. There are just the difference of 3. Like it should be in a molecule of glucose. So it's a molecule, not the molecule of glucose. That much is a molecule of glucose. That much is a molecule of glucose, and that much. And this all becomes a disaccharide maltose. Okay, so this part of the molecule is hydra, where carbon and 3 hydrogens and 1 oxygen are bonded, and oxygen is double bonded to carbon dioxide. So it's aldehyde. Aldehyde. Okay, I'm just writing ald, and its spelling is ALDHYDE, aldehyde. Okay, and if one of the part of the molecule is aldehyde, so the whole molecule is aldehyde. So this molecule is a aldehyde, means it's glucose, and it's a disaccharide maltose form of glucose. It's not the original form of glucose. You will see the mostly forms of glucose and polysaccharides. It's also the word when you will change the monosaccharides, and this is a monosaccharide, and if you will once again change the monosaccharide like that, you will get a polysaccharide. This all is a polysaccharide. And a polysaccharide, you will get the glucose mostly in the form of polysaccharide. The mashed potatoes are the example of polysaccharides. Okay? 1 minute, let me raise it. Okay. This all is a form of polysaccharide. And let's may I talk something about this? This is monosaccharide. So that much of your is a disaccharide maltose, and they bonded and make them monosaccharide. Okay, and like that, it's another part of monosaccharide, but it's not usually the glucose. It's not the glucose, it's ribose and it's dextrose. We will learn about them also in our next parts. So that was all about this, and bye bye.